Starting a business is exciting, but the legal steps can feel confusing at first. Many people hear the terms like LLC, EIN, and state registration, and they think it's complicated. But the truth is, it becomes very simple when you follow the right process. In this video, I will show you how to open an LLC in New Jersey. In this video, I will show you how to start an LLC in New Jersey step by step. I will also walk you through how to do it using Taylor brands, so you can follow everything easily on your screen. Now, first, let's talk about what is LLC. An LLC, or a limited liability company, is one of the best way to start a business. It separates your personal finances from your business. This means if your business faces any problems, your personal money is usually protected. That's why freelancers, online sellers, and small business owners prefer this structure. It also makes your business look more professional and trustworthy. Before we get started, just welcome back to our channel Easy Access Tech, where we simplify tools and business process so you can get started and grow faster. In the description, you will find a Taylor Brands link that can help you to form your LLC easily and may include special offers if they're available. If you plan to start your business, make sure to use that link. Now, let's start with the process. First, just click on the Taylor Brand link from the description. When the website opens, you will see an option like select your state here. Now just look for the New Jersey, and here it is. Now click on this get started. Got a name for your business. So next thing is enter your business name. This will be your official LLC name. So just write your name here, I mean your business name. In my case, it is Easy Access Tech. Now if I click on the continue, the platform will confirm if the name is available in New Jersey. If it is not available, just try a different version. So let's continue. After that, you will answer a few simple questions about your business. Now it's asking what's Easy Access Tech industry. I just need to select the industry about my business. So it is like business consulting in my case. You can select anyone which is aligned with your business. So I'm selecting business consulting. Now clicking next. Where are you in your business journey? So select whether you just starting your business or already active. So I'm just taking the first step. Now clicking next. Have you formed or run a business before? No, I didn't. So I'm just going with this first time. Now clicking next. How many owner your LLC have? Basically, they are asking if you plan to hire employees. If you are unsure, you can go with this like I don't know yet. But if you know, then you can just go to any of this option. In my case, I don't know. Now clicking next. How did you discover the Taylor brand? It's YouTube for me. Now next. Based on your answers, let us build your free Taylor business plan. Obviously, we are creating our LLC, so we need a business plan. Clicking next. Fill out information for Easy Access Tech. Now you just need to write the name and your number to create your account here. So let me finish it. After that, in this stage, you will see the additional services. First service is the EIN. You should select the Get My EIN to protect the identity. Basically, EIN means Employer Identification Number. It is required for taxes, opening a business bank account, or receiving payment. Now just click on the next button. Again, you should select the Keep My LLC Compliant. Basically, Taylor brand will handle all of the obligations. They will handle the task like annual report filing and maintain the good standing. Again, click on the next. Elevate your professional image with our branding toolkit. So if you want the toolkit from the Taylor brand, you can go with the get the toolkit, but it will charge you more. Basically, if you're starting your business and you need the domain, you need the logo or website or the online store, then you can go with this toolkit. Taylor Brands toolkit will help you to get that. I don't want. Now clicking next. Get up and running 14x faster with our filling service that allow documents to reach the Secretary of State office within one business day. So if you are in a hurry and if you don't have much time, then you can go with this, but it will charge you more. So I have my time and I can wait, so I'm selecting this. Again, click on next. Establish your LLC rules with an operating agreement. Sure, you should select this, get my operating agreement. Now clicking next. Now, if you don't have an US bank account, then you can create an US bank account by the help of Taylor brand. It is totally free. There is not any minimum account balance. I have my account, so I don't want. Now you will see different kind of plan. If you click on this, see other options. There is a basic plan for LLC formation, which is called light plan. There is not any fee. It is free, but there is not any services. You will be only able to form your LLC and you can get the business coaching program. And other plans, they include extra services like compliance support and business tools. So if you only want to register your LLC, the basic plan, which is free, that is usually enough. So choose the plan that fits your business needs and budget. I think the essential plan, this is the plan which is value for money. So I will select this one because I need the LLC, I need annual compliance and other thing. Now you can see we have selected the essential plan, and here you can again check this and you can turn on or off. Let's say I don't need the business bank account because I have, then I will off this. Now click on continue to payment. After selecting your plan, just review your details and proceed to continue. Just click on the continue to payment. Now here select the payment method. It is card, and let's continue. Now write your personal information here to complete the payment. So after filling this form, just click on this pay with card or PayPal. Once you complete the payment, Taylor brand will file your articles of organization with the state of New Jersey. This is the official document that creates your LLC. After approval, your business becomes legally registered. So once your LLC is approved, you should open a business bank account and keep your finances separate. This helps to protect your personal assets and keeps your account clean. You can also start building your brand using tools like logo and website if you selected those options. That's how you open an LLC in New Jersey step by step. By completing the process, you have taken an important step toward building a real and professional business. An LLC not only protects your personal finances but also gives your business a strong foundation to grow. If this guide helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Easy Access Tech, and use the Taylor Brands link in the description to get started easily. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. Hope this video helped you. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.